Some of you have been saying, I'm tired, but not just physically, so tired. I'm showing up for everyone, but who's pouring into me? And I hear you because I've been there. That place where you feel like your tank is empty and life keep asking you to keep going. But today I want to remind you of something sacred. Your energy doesn't come from outside. You have endless inner energy, and it's time to tap back in. You have been taught to chase energy from caffeine, from people, from noise. But what if I told you energy is not found? It's unlocked. It is inside of you, under the pain, under the pressure, waiting to be remembered. The spirit of a person can endure sickness, but a crushed spirit who can bear? According to Proverbs 18:14. That means what powers you is not just the body, it's your inner world, your focus, your belief, your ability to shift your state. Energy returns when you get back in alignment, when your boundaries match your values, when your years mean something, when you stop leaking power into people who don't pour back. Energy returns when you feed your mind, nourish your soul, move your body with intention. Because the truth is, you're not tired, you're just misaligned. You're drained because you've been disconnected from you. Let's today be the reset. Not just reset, not just rest, but reconnection. Not just surviving, but charging up from the inside out. You don't have to run on fumes anymore. You have wells inside of you. You have wisdom inside of you. You have fire that no burnout can bury. Let this be your reminder. You are the source. You are the light. You are the power you have been waiting on. And if this relights something inside of you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Pass it to someone feeling low, empty, and forgotten. Until next time, protect your peace, fuel your soul, and never forget your inner energy is endless because real power starts within.